In this clip here, we're going to draw a syringe. So standard IPT part. So we're going to use a command called revolve, which needs an axis point. So we're just going to put, just any line there at 90 degrees, and this will become our axis. And from this point, we're going to come out 1.5 millimeters and up 10, and then out at any particular angle. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to go, say, roughly 115, and then we need to go 110 millimeters at 90 degrees. Just need to put a few general dimensions on here. So the outside of the syringe is 24 millimeter diameter, so we need to just general dimension from the line if we need to put in the radius. So we might make that 12. And that one there's 1.5. That's all fine. Okay. Done. This dimension down here we can get rid of, and this line. And now we want to use a command called offset. So offset allows us to select a profile and then offset it. And we're going to offset it towards the center. And we also need to general dimension that. So if we can make that 11 millimeters, and then the wall thickness of our syringe will be 1 millimeter thick. And we'll just join this up. And join this one up down here. Okay, so we've got our profile and we've got our axis line. So finish sketch, and then right click, and this time rather than extruding we're going to revolve. So it's already selected our profile, we can see it's highlighted there, and then we need to pick our axis, and this line here is going to be our axis point. Just make sure the profile's been selected, and then OK. Spin him around, and you'll notice that it's hollow. The next thing that we want to do is create a new sketch. So if we just zoom in on this surface here, right click, new sketch, we just need to put the almost like the little handles on there. So I'm going to use an ellipse, and I'm going to use a center point to create my ellipse. And the first thing you need to do is select the center of the ellipse, and then we're going to the first axis point. And again, this can just be a little bit of modelling and made up. And then we're just going to come out, say that far. Right click, finish sketch. Right click, extrude. And we're just going to select both parts of the profile. We're just going to make it 2 millimeters thick. We go OK. And that there is our 30cc syringe. So if we just go save, and I've already saved it, you can see there I've saved it as 30 cc syringe body. You might also like to change the colouring, so pick an appropriate material, some kind of plastic, and that is the syringe.